Okay, here it is. Back home, 1986, Massey Ferguson 50HX, two-wheel drive version. It's got a Perkins diesel. Got the pump primer, fuel filter, inline fuel filter. He did have the step for it, so that was a nice surprise. I thought that was gone. Just trying to go over what I'm going to do first. It's got a bunch of hydraulic leaks. Some of them developed when I got it on the trailer, unfortunately, like here. Need to get that one repacked. The swing cylinders in the back are leaking really bad. Knew about this one, but yeah, I don't know. Got that janky exhaust. It's like somebody put that on there off a Honda Civic. That's got to get replaced. The injection pump right there. It's got oil. Oil looks good. But I see just a ton of lines that need to be replaced. I think this is the transmission line, transmission cooler line maybe. Inside the cab looks really good though. Still has some of the headliner left. I do have the mat for it. It's got little soft spots from spilling brake fluid on it though. Gonna have to cut that out. Need to get the seat redone, obviously. Yeah, it's an old backhoe from 1986. It's not too bad. Oh, none of the glasses broke, which is good. All the doors are straight. That key on though. So I'll probably disconnect the battery because it looks like it's still getting power even though the key is off. Start it up here. Starts right up. No smoke. That's not good. I wonder if it's not charging. Oh, there it goes. So it is charging. Very good. Brakes on the right side are completely gone. Nothing there. Gonna have to bleed them. It does have new master cylinders, but they're not doing anything. I don't think any of the gauges work. Redo all that. are the lights actually. Yeah, so the lights do work. All right, all of them. So everything seems to be working except for the fuel gauge. Should be an easy fix. The temperature gauge appears to be working. All the warning lights work. Parking brake light goes off. Lights work. Turn signals. Front, back. Ah, yeah. Good there. So, we'll get some filters ordered, some oil. I'm gonna buy a new exhaust for it. I'm not sure what's going on there. Doesn't seem too bad other than needing some maintenance. And get it all greased up. Get some new hoses for it. This cylinder here is the worst. But it's dripping pretty steady. But nothing that would prevent us from using it in the yard for the time being. Check the transmission fluid, just in here. So it's on the stick, but looks like it could use a little more. Where's this dripping? Yep, something's dripping there. Might be that cylinder. I don't know. That one's leaking a little bit. They look dry, which is good. That one's also got a drip, but nothing too bad. So, got some work to do. but overall, not too bad. This one looks okay. One up top looks all right. So it must be the internal one, right? Oh no, which is, yeah, this one. Must be this one leaking. Great, that'll be fun. So yeah, leave it here. And get the oil change next.